t-shirt, put it on our Facebook page. This is awesome. We like Freestyle Motocross on the Monster Jam Facebook page too. Telling you want some more! Are you loving it? Let them hear you! We just got to kiss of death and see what they got in this last round coming up. Well, not last round. See a whole lot more. If you keep making noise, they're going to keep going big. Tampa, you got them fired up. You know how awesome that was? But they're just getting started. If you want some more, tell them you want more! Yeah, but they're not done. Come on, let them hear.